Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing of Rachel Lite by Jon Renau in this newish color, Catalina Blonde. So I haven't peeked, I always want to do that with you, and because it's a newish color, I will have some outside footage towards the end of the video, so stick around for that. Securely packaged, as we are used to. I do like these new simpler tags. I do like the new boxes it comes in. I just like everything a little bit simpler. So let's look at the cap construction straight away. So we have a completely hand-tied cap. That means the hairs are individually put into the cap, so they move really freely, etc. You then can also part it wherever you like, in terms of when you want to do an updo or any kind of styling, you will not see the wefts. So really good, and it's just really comfortable to wear. We have a mono top, so that means you can part it wherever you like in that section, and that gives you that very natural hard line. You have an extended lace front, and I say extended, it's super extended. It runs around the ear tabs. So it gives you that incredibly natural look all the way back down here, almost to your ears, so where the ear tabs finish. So if you want to pull it back, you will get that natural hairline. And then you have these polyurethane or silicone ear tabs with little stays in them. So they really mold to your head really nicely and almost like stick to it. So it just looks really natural, and they're really thin as well, so you don't have any bulk around here. And then what it also means is that you can put adhesives on here really easily. As I said, a fully hand-tied cap. And then you have an extended nape, and you have that same silicone or polyurethane here at the bottom. Again, same thing, it really hugs your neck really nicely, stays really secure, and you can add some adhesives there if you wanted to. And you also have Velcro adjusters to get it to the size you want. Stretch, little bit of stretch this way and a little bit of stretch this way, so we will see how it fits. Ooh, and now let's look at this color for the first time. So the color code on this one is 101 8827 S8. So S means shaded with an 8 root, so that's like a, I think that's like a medium brown root. And then the 101 is, it's like the icy blondes really round here, and they are mainly at the front. So you have these money pieces round your face, so they light up your face. And then you have the 88 and a 27. Now a 27 is normally like a strawberry blonde. I can't see any strawberry blonde here. I think this is more like a honey blonde. So in terms of if it's warm or cool or neutral, I think when you look at it from the front, where you have those icy blondes, I think it is a cool tone. And I think overall it probably leans cool. I think Jon Renau describes it as a cool blonde. But you do have that 27 in there, which I think just gives it a little bit of warmth. So I do think it's a leaning cool color. But then please bear in mind, we all perceive colors so differently. So I just want to point that out as well. But it has quite a lot of dimension, which is beautiful. Let me shake it just so we get the fibers of the cap, make them move more naturally. And I don't want to play with it too much before I put it on. Also, this is really light. There's no permatease here. And obviously the name Rachel Lite gives you the idea that this is light density. And Rachel Lite have been firm favorites for years. They are just beautiful. Right, straight out of the box, it fits me a little bit snug. So let me just change the adjusters. With my wig grip and my hair growth, I probably now have about a 21.7-ish, 0.75-ish circumference. So it does feel on me right now with the adjusters fairly at the widest point now. It does feel quite secure, really comfortable actually. Ooh. Oh, you can see why Rachel is such a loved piece. And look at this color. Wow, this is just beautiful. This is all I'm going to do at the moment, so you can see what it looks like straight out of the box. It's the perfect length. It's the perfect wave. This color is gorgeous. If you like really cool leaning blondes, the really lighter blondes, this is just phenomenal. Let's look at the hairline. So you have no root showing here at the front, so you will have no knots here at all. And let's look at this hairline on the side. The lace front itself, you can probably see that here comes down quite a bit. It's quite low, so you might want to trim that a little bit. You might not want to, and because when you pull it back here, it can flip up. You can see that here. So I would probably, if I don't want to trim it, just use these really handy ear tabs and just put some adhesives on here and stick it down on the side. But I think I would probably wear it down like this anyway, so it wouldn't really matter to me. Let's get rid of that zigzag parting. If you're new to wigs, that zigzag parting, not really sure why the manufacturers put that in there, but it's not really meant to stay that way, because we all have a natural part and we want to have that in our wigs as well. So you need to get rid of that zigzag parting, and look how natural that looks. Let me comb through one side first before I do the other side, just so you can see the difference when you comb it through. So not comb through, comb through. Not much of a difference. I just like my waves a little bit softer, that's why I tend to comb it through. You have a little bit of a fringe here as well, so you probably could cut this, and then you have this light color all around your face, and I think that really then highlights your eyes and really focuses on that if you have that trimmed here. But I prefer my fringe to the side. That's just what I prefer on me. I already talked about the fit. I do think it's an average cap. So I think if you have a 22-inch, I think that would fit you nicely. Slightly above it, it might also fit you nicely. If you have a smaller circumference than mine, there is a lot of room to tighten at the moment, and there is gapping here, so you might get a little bit more gapping. But please check that with Wigstudio 1 to ensure that it would fit you and that it would fit you comfortably. And I will put the link to this piece down below, so you can reach out to them easily by just following that link. These fibers are regular synthetic fibers, so for everybody, I know I have quite a lot of subscribers who love regular synthetic fibers because they're easy to maintain. You don't really need to do much. You just should use shampoo and conditioner and any kind of care systems that are designed specifically for wigs. I tend to use those systems from the same manufacturer or brand that I use the wig from. So if I have a Jon Renau, I tend to wash it with Jon Renau shampoo, conditioner, and etc. But that's not a must. It's just something I do. That's just something I just feel comfortable with. And if you do that, this will last you a while. I had a Rachel for over a year, maybe even longer. Look how beautiful this folds to this side, and this highlight here. It's just so pretty. Density, this is Rachel Lite, so it is a light density. This is a lower density. I think you can't get much lower than this. Let's have a look at the ponytail, which will always give you an idea of how much hair there is. So I do think it's probably not the lowest of the low, but it is definitely low density. And there is no permatease here, it's a hand-tied cap. And as I said, so if you wanted to do an updo, you will not see any wefts. Really natural looking. So thank you to Wigstudio 1 for sending me this piece so I can show it to you. And as I said, I put the link down below. Let me know what you think of this color. Stay tuned for the outside footage in a minute. And tell me what you think of Rachel Lite. If you had her before, if you had this color before, tell me all the things down below. And I think it's always really useful for everybody else as well to hear other people's opinions. So I'm always really happy for you to share your experiences with your wigs. And if you have any questions, of course, put them down below as well. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I hope I see you very soon. Bye.